Hello, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly arrange your background, how to properly make it professional. So I have uploaded this particular video here, and I've also uploaded this in 16 by 9 formats. So you can see that this particular video covered the whole screen properly, but this one did not cover, this monkey video did not cover the whole screen very well. I'm going to show you how to properly arrange it in a professional way. For this particular one, I'll go to, first of all, let me go to Canvas. You see, from the bottom menu, you see text, overlay. We see Canvas at the end of it. I'll click on Canvas. I'll click on, there are three types of ways to arrange your background very well. So I want to use color now. As for color, maybe I'll just choose a particular color. Let me say, this, or let me just click on this yellow color. I'll click on OK. So that means if I scroll to this direction now, okay, let me choose okay, so I've chosen a yellow color to be the background color in addition to this monkey that is here. And I can also click on this particular video. If I click on it, I want to crop it a little bit. I'll look for edit, crop. So you see what I'm going to do now. I'll just reduce this from these 4 points that are here. I'll just drag it this way, then arrange it properly. Arrange the video to fit what I want. I'll click on OK. So you can see that a particular part of it, the up and down, is revealed. I can also make it so that it will not be too much. So you can see when you are playing a video like this, it will look very nice, Abby. It depends on you. You can either do something like this. You will see the upper part, the line color will be there. The bottom part, the line color will also be there. So this is it. So as for this particular monkey video, you see, when it was that background was not there, it was just showing nothing. That is black, nothing. So to cover it up, you use the color format as I've shown you. If you click on, from the bottom menu, you scroll to Canvas. This is Canvas. The first thing that you can use to cover the background is color. You can choose any color that you want, and it will be well covered. You click on check mark, and there are other background templates. Click on the background that you can use. Like if you click on this one, and this is what will appear. If you click on this one, and this is how it will be, so that it will not just be empty. Something will still be there. Something will still be on the background. You see, something will still be on the background. This is it. So let me just choose this and click on this check mark, and you see that's it. And another thing that you can use to cover the background is blur. Let's click on blur. So if you click on blur, it will duplicate the image that is there, or the video. It will duplicate it and use it to expand it. That is the right word. It will expand it so you to fill any place that is not well covered. Like this first one, you see, it will expand the video to cover the other spaces. So when you are playing something like this, so let's just play. You see, this other one will become blur. And the further you go, if you go to this particular one, it will be blur. You will not see what is at the background. It is only the main video that will be magnified. So I'll click on this check mark, and I'll click on this back arrow. So you can see when you are playing something like this, so you see the background is so nice. And even this particular one, it will not just be blank as it were before. It will not just be blank. You either cover it with a color either cover it with color or any image that you want. You use a background design or you blur the background, and this is it. So in this place now, I want to show you how to use overlay. If you want to add anything to your what is already existing, like this particular girl that is singing now, you can add any image or any video on top of it. So if you want to do that, you click on overlay, add overlay. So that particular monkey video, I can still add it on top. So let me click on this, click on add. You see, this particular video has been added on top. You see, it has been added on top. And if you want to add an image, let me delete this particular one first. You can add an image. Click on add overlay, click on photos from this top right. Then you search for any photo that you want. So let me add a photo. Okay, I'll just click on this photo. I'll click on add. So this particular photo has been added on top. So it is left for you to manipulate this photo. So in other sequence that I'll be doing, I'll show you how to manipulate photo, how to animate and do some other stuff that are very nice. So that will be the end of this video. See you in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add text, how to choose your text size, format, how to align text, how to do so many things with text. You want to add text. So bye for now.